Okay everyone, let's go and try to create this template. It's an easy one and we can make it fast. We just create a blank space, and after creating that, we just need to have these pictures. How we can get this picture? Let me see if I have this picture from the past or not. Okay, we don't have the picture, but we can do something to get the picture, I think. We have the field of a slide background. It's the background field. What is the background field? Let me teach you something. How I created this slide. It's really easy, but I use a little trick I'm going to tell you now. At first, we format the background and paste the picture at the background. We have the picture in the background and paste it to all. Now we need to create this effect. How? We just easily create a rectangle and put it in the back. It's the first step. Now we copy that. We need to create these things. How we create them? Easily. We easily here. Sorry, I make some mistakes. No problem. We easily come here and create these shapes and just make them round, make them a little bigger. Okay, it's good. Now we just copy them. Make a place here, a space here. Create a beautiful curve. Okay. Now we just select all of them by Ctrl A. And from here we change the slide background. What is going to happen? We copy them and paste them here. Now what we do, we delete the shape outline, but we create a shape effect, something like this. Change the color of the background to something beautiful. I think this color is good, but we need it to be more darker. Because of that, we are going to choose from here. It's good. Now we need to copy the text. We go to shape format. Before that, we increase the text in the size. After that, we go to shape format to create this format we have and put it here. Now, all the things we do is going to click on all of them. The slide has been created beautiful. We are going to click on all of them. Let's see our slide. It's great. What we are going to do, we are going to click on all of them. Let me just make it a little better to see the status of liberty. Okay, it's good. Now I think it's good. We see the status. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all of them by pressing Ctrl and go to animation and say fly in, but from the top, and make the duration more and fit previous. Now let's look at this amazing rainfall. And I'm also going to make it wipe with previous in 124. Now look at this slide and see how amazing it has become. So look, it's really amazing. Okay everyone, this is the end of today's template, but if you have any question you can ask me in the comment, I answered them. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can see all another templates we have. Until now we have one slide template, but in the future we are going to create a complete template too. Until then, have a good time. Bye.